CAF Champions League and CAF Confed Cup draw earlier this afternoon. He was one of the draw assistants. Speaking of which, I caught up with Lupolo September, obviously one of the head honchos out at CAF, and I pressed him a little bit on the Pirate situation. It's not just Pirates, of course, that have later complained around the ineligibility of players and coaches whether they were supposed to be on the bench or not. A few other teams around the continent as well, in Tanzania and all around, have also complained because everybody wants to get into the group stages of CAF inter-club competitions. This is what Mr. September had to say.
Well, I mean, the first thing I can do, first of all, is to confirm that, of course, we are aware of this. These complaints and protests and whatever have been received by CAF, and they are being processed through the competent structures, the judicial structures at CAF. There is one part which is being processed through the judicial processes, which we have to respect because they are all independent. Then there is administrative side, which has to deal with the status quo as it is. And right now we are dealing with the status quo as it is. If and when we will be guided by what the judicial bodies do. When, I don't know. How, I don't know. What, I don't know. It's independent process that is happening, and we respect and we create this wall between the administrative side and the judicial bodies that exist. So we cross that bridge when we get to it.
Lux Lupolo, I don't know, September. Yeah. Toshaka, I don't know.